daily cipher for today. So we'll be briefly providing you the necessary daily cipher for today. So the daily cipher for today is FOMO. So the first thing you do is to come here. So you just tap on it, then it will take us to the daily cipher dashboard. So FOMO is our daily cipher for today. So we start with letter F again, dot, dash, dot. So that's our letter F, then O, 3 dash. Then letter M, that's 2 dash. Then the last one, that's 3 dash. So that's our daily cipher for today. Then you take your price. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, do well to subscribe, like our video, and also drop your comment. So see you tomorrow for more updates.